Santa! Trying to go backwards.
Lexi. Smile. No.
See you later, buddy. Well, hi, sweetie. How are you doing? You been a good girl? Oh, I think you've been ornery this year. You know that? Have you been ornery? Working on being good? What do you want Santa to bring you for Christmas? You don't know.
You do too, though.
What do you want?
What about you? You been a good girl? Yeah. You ain't been ornery? Been real good? What do you want for Christmas? iPod Touch. Wow. What do you want for Christmas, buddy?
Can you tell him? You want rockets?
You like rockets? Maybe Legos?
Yes.
Wow. You be a good boy, okay? There you go. Merry Christmas. Wow, we got a bunch of them over here.
Are you
Cards from Santa? You been a good boy? You have. You been a good girl?
Hey, handsome.
What do you want for Christmas?
Handsome.
Okay. How about if Santa bring you some socks, okay? What do you want for Christmas? An iPod, yeah. Wow. What do you want, buddy?
Libby, honey, move your feet.
Where's Austin?
Wow.
No, you gotta stay right here. Get your brother.
Where is he?
You gotta be right
See what he can do for us.
Oh, you wanna hug him?
Merry Christmas,
Okay,
guys.
hold on. Santa, he wants to hug you.
Okay, you want to say that? Oh, thank you. Okay, give me a hug. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas.
Let him through. He's got lots more kids.
Hi, buddy. How are you doing, huh? You been a big boy? You been a good boy? I don't know about Santa. You been a good girl? What do you want for Christmas?
You want a rocking horse?
A rocking
You say
horse?
you want a horse?
Wow. And what do you want for Christmas? Bows and arrows. Wow.
iPod Touch and bows and arrows.
Okay. You ever shot bow and arrow before? At school? Oh, okay. At home? Okay. Well, you be a good girl, Santa. See what he can do, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sweet by here. Look at that little dress you have on. You been a good girl?
You have to sit.
What do you want Santa to bring you for Christmas? Choo-choo train.
Thank you.
What about you, buddy?
You want it?
You want a candy
Oh, I
cane?
got one for her.
Then he have two.
Here,
So after Santa gets you
There,
this
have
far,
extra.
you can't.
Got it off?
No, mine broke.
No. Leave the wrapper down here on it. Okay?